Namaste students. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 4.3 second problem. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. For the given equation, you have to find the nature of the roots first. Roots. If they exist, if the nature of the roots exist, then we have to find the value of the roots, that is value of the x, by the quadratic formula. So first we have to find the nature of the roots, whether we will get the two distinct roots or equal roots, and what we have to find first. So what is discrimination formula? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. This is discrimination formula. So for that we have to find what is A. A is 2 and B is minus 7 and C is 3, in which we have to compare quadratic equation general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this we have to compare and we have to find the value of a, b and c. So what is the value of b? Minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 1 the whole square is 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Then 49 minus 24 is 25. So discriminating is 25, that is greater than 0. Then what is the nature of the roots? Then the roots will be two distinct real roots. Then roots will be two distinct and real. Shall we check whether we are getting two different roots by using the quadratic formula? By quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula to find the value of roots. So in this formula you have to substitute the value of a, b, c, and you have to find the value of x. Okay, so x is equal to, what is the value of a? Is 2 and b is minus 7 and c is equal to 3. So minus b, already we have one negative sign in b, so minus into minus plus. Okay, 7 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2. 2a is 2 into 2. Then 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24 divided by 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4. Then 7 plus or minus root 25 is 5 divided by 4. So we got x is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. So the two values are x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 and the next value is 7 minus 5 by 4. Plus or minus. So I splitted one term in positive and another term in negative. Okay. So x is equal to 7 plus 5 is what? 12. 12 by 4, comma, x is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now tell me what is the two roots? X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So we got two distinct real roots. We got x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. We got two distinct real roots. Next, exercise 4.3, second in that the second subdivision problem. So first we have to find the discriminant. Discriminant you have to find. Then you have to apply in the formula quadratic equation. Okay, discriminant formula is D is equal to B square minus 4AC. First you have to write the formula. Compare the quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to find the value of a, b, c. Okay, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. b 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1 is 33, that is greater than 0. Since it is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. We will get two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Now we can apply the formula quadratic equation formula. What is the quadratic equation formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is quadratic equation formula. Now we are going to find the roots. That is two distinct roots we are going to find. What is the value of b? Minus 1 plus or minus root of b square, 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 divided by 2a, 2 into 2. Then minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 32, 4. And then minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 divided by 4. You can simplify root 33? No, we can't simplify. So keep it as it is. One root you have to write with a positive sign and another root you have to write with a negative sign. This is the answer. The one root is minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 2 and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 divided by 4. Clear? This is the two distinct real roots. We got two distinct real roots. One is positive, one is in positive and another one is in negative. Next, exercise 4.3, second problem, third subdivision. Okay. 4 x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. First, what we have to write? Discriminant formula. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, and then we have to compare the quadratic equation with the general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to find the value of a, b and c. A is equal to, instead of a, what we have here? 4. B, 4 root 3. C is equal to 3. Then b square is 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3. 4 into 4 into 3. So 4 root 3 means 4 root 3 the whole square means 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. Listen carefully. First whole number with whole number. Multiply that too. 4 into 4 is 16 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Clear all of you? 4 root 3 the whole square. So 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then 16 into 3 is 16 into 3 is 48. Clear? So 48 minus 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Again 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. You got D is equal to 0. Then we will get 2 equal real roots. We will get 2 equal real roots. We will get 2 equal real roots. Shall we check whether we are getting 2 equal real roots? Okay. Now write the formula. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a formula. Don't forget this one. This is very important formula. Now substitute all the values of a, b and c. The value of b is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3. Then 2 into 4. Okay, substitute everything. Value of A, B and C. Now solve this one. Minus 4 root 3, keep it as it is, plus or minus root of 4 root 3 the whole square is 48 minus 48 divided by 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 divided by 8. 0. Root 0 is what? Minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 divided by 8. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. We can cancel this 2, no? How many times we can cancel? 2 times. So x is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2. This is 2 distinct real roots. One is minus root 3 by 2. Another one is also minus root 3 by 2. So 2 equal real roots or clear all of you? You have any doubt in this? This is very, very important. 3 mark. Next, exercise 4.3. Second, fourth subdivision problem. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. First, what do you have to find? We have to find the discriminant. That is, the formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and then you have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? A is 2 and b is 1. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 4. Okay. B is 1. 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. The value of A is 2 and the value of C is 4. So 1 minus 4 4s are 16. Then 16 2s are 32. Okay. So 1 minus 32, what you will get? Minus 31. This is negative value. D is less than 0. You got a negative value. So you will get no real roots. That is imaginary roots. You will get imaginary roots. If you are getting like this, means you can stop here itself. No need to apply in the formula. Clear? So, no real roots will exist as square root of square root. Inside the, that is, you have a formula, no? What is our quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this, inside the square root, you will get negative. You will get negative. Because of that only, we are stopping here itself. Root of any negative roots numbers is not real. It will be not a real number. It is complex number. It will be a complex number. So here itself we have to stop. Are you all clear, Kanna? Why we are stopping here itself? If here you got minus 31, no? In this formula, after this, if you are proceeding with the formula, means in this step you will get root minus 31. Minus 31. So, as a square root of any negative number, square root of any negative number will not be a real number. It will be a imaginary number. So, here itself we have to stop. Thank you.